Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to do any type of shake for basically whatever kind of edit you want. So first, let's press new, go into multi-layer, select your clip, and the first shake I'll be teaching you guys how to do is called a Y shake, which is basically like in math, when you think of a coordinate plane, you know that the y-axis is the one that goes up and down rather than left to right. So this shake is going to go up and down. So edit keyframes, and I will put QR codes for this. Make sure to check the description for the timestamps. And make sure you have this little like grid on. Make sure you pick the first option, not the second, not the third, and not none, but the first option, because that's what I'm really basing off my proportions for this. And first, you're gonna bring up your clip to, you see the first and second square, you're gonna bring it about a little less than halfway on the second square. Like so, make sure it's perfectly aligned. And then click your timeline once, so it skips one frame ahead. Then bring your clip back down and do the same thing. You see the first and second square, bring it around a little less than halfway on the second square. Then align it, and then after this is basically your preference. But what I like to do, I like to skip 4 frames ahead, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna click options in the top right corner. Press show other layers. Actually, no. I'm so sorry, why did I do that? You're gonna press center layer. And at the bottom of the screen where you see path, you're gonna click the little slash you see and look for a graph that kind of looks like an upside down L. Like the one right here, this one. And this is all about basically your preference. You could choose this one, you could choose this one, this one, this one, this one. But I find that this one works the best for basically any type of edit. And yeah, this is how it's gonna look. After that, click mirror, pick the last option, go into color, search for tracking blur, and make sure it's not too much. Like around there is good. And this is our final result. And what I like about these kind of shakes is basically you can add any sort of effect to it that you want. So first, let me make this a QR code for you guys really quick. And this time we're going to be adding a little effect to it. If you want like a skew shake. So go into layout and search for skew spin. And these kind of effects are kind of different. So if you click the up arrow, it's going to give you more options, whether you want it to go right, whether you want to go left. But we're going to click where it goes both, like that. So if you look here, boom, just like that. So the point where it's actually, the image is kind of normal, that's going to be 50. So edit keyframes. We're going to put this mark at 50, boom. Then go back to the beginning and maybe bring it back at 100, like that. And then custom and make a basic graph to just fit it, like that. Or if you want the skew more visible, you can lessen it just a little, like that. And yeah, so that was just one example. So this is a skew shake. And I'll make this a QR code for you guys as well. See, it was that simple. Our next type of shake we're going to be working with is our X shake. So I explained what a Y shake is, so you can use like common sense to know what an X shake is, it goes left to right. So once again, make sure you have this type of grid on and bring it to whichever side you like first. I'm going to bring it to my left first. Go a little less than halfway. Align that. Click a frame ahead. And bring it a little less than halfway on the other side too. Then you're going to go 4 frames ahead, whichever works for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click center layer. Go into path and look for the upside down L right in the middle. That one. And this is how it looks. Like so. Click mirror and add some tracking blur. And this is our final result. So our next shape that we'll be doing is a twitch shake. This is one of the more complex ones, but I promise you guys it's super easy. So go to the beginning of your timeline and then put it in basically any direction you want. I'll be going here. Make it kind of drastic because once again it's a twitch shake. Skip 1 frame ahead. I'm gonna bring it down to the side like this. This is basically creative freedom. Whichever way you want it to go, you can do that with a twitch shake. Then skip another frame ahead and make it go another way. Like, I'm gonna make mine go this way. Maybe like that. And then I'm gonna go all the way to the end. Center layer. And once again, pick that same graph. Actually, no, don't go all the way to the end. My clip's kind of long. I'm gonna skip 4 frames ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Center layer. And look for that same graph. Mirror, then tracking blur. And yeah, if you don't like how it looks, the final result, you can always edit it. That's what I'm gonna do. Like maybe this way. Just a little bit more editing. And just like that. That is our twitch shake. I'll make it a QR code for you guys. Another thing you do with these type of shakes is make it like a zoom out twitch shake. So how to do this is basically go into layer 2, click null layer, edit keyframes, oops, press you want to control layer 1, and then zoom in to your liking. I'm going to go around 160, and then you can pick how much you want to go back. I'm going to go 100 and do a simple graph to fit with that. Like so. And this is how it looks. I'll make that a QR code for you guys. And yeah, I think that's all the very popular shakes I'm going over today. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!